Here we go. Today we are solving a very first world problem. We struggle in our first world society to choose a good Netflix movie, don't we? Spend more time looking for what we're going to watch instead of actually watching something. The solution possibly lies in AI. There is a website called, I don't know how to pronounce it, Taranify, that will recommend you books. It'll recommend you playlists you can listen to on Spotify, and of course, it will recommend Netflix movies for you to watch. So I'm preparing for a Netflix, possibly a chill evening, and I'm gonna see if I can't pick out a movie using AI. So I made it to the Taranify app, Taranify. I really wish I knew how to say that. And this is the Spotify section. I can choose the Netflix section, and I can choose the book section. So let's start by choosing what colors attract your attention now. I'm colorblind. I would tell you what color I'm clicking as I click them, but I'm probably going to be wrong. Because I'm colorblind, I tend to go with more simple colors. I don't go for a lot of vibrancy. So I will start with red, black, white, and gray. At least what I think those colors were. I can't even tell what color this is. It looks gray. Possibly it is. Maybe it's a different color. So I'm going to go with that as well. I believe I've got some yellow. I don't know what color any of these remaining ones are. So I'm going to click them in brightest to darkest as I see them. And I am feeling somewhat happy, not ecstatic. I've got a normal amount of energy. And now we're going to get a movie recommendation, I hope. If so, this was pretty easy. 2022 movie called Living. A rigid and formal English bureaucrat's icy reserve begins to melt when a dire prognosis inspires him to build a surprising legacy. So, I'm going to go watch this, and then I'm going to say if I liked this show or not. So it was easy enough to find. I'm on Netflix website, and it's easy enough to find the Living. I keep wanting to call it The Living, but Living. I'm looking at the cast. I don't know any of the characters or any of the actors that are in this movie, but I'm not very into movies. I don't know very many names. But that rating that came from that other website, the 7.2 out of 10, I don't know where that came from. I thought it might be on Netflix's website, but they apparently don't do ratings. So, I don't know. I'm going to give it a watch. I'll let you know how it went at the end. And I have watched Living. You can kind of tell in the little clip that's playing above my head right now that it takes place in the past. It takes place right around, I think, World War I. It could be World War II time, but it looks like World War I to me, possibly in between World War I and World War II. And it's super depressing. If you paid attention to what I was selecting as I was going through things, I don't really know what those colors mean, but when I selected my mood, I said I was in a good mood. I did find where that rating of 7.2 came from. It's right here on IMDb. I finished watching Living. I found where it gets the reviews from. The 7.2 out of 10 came from IMDb, the International Movie Database is what I think that stands for. I'm not a movie critic, so I don't intend to talk about whether the movie was good or not, only that the movie was sad. My mood was not sad. I was joyous. Maybe the AI says, well, you can watch sad movies only when you're in a good mood, because if you're in a sad mood, we don't want to give you a sad movie. We want to cheer you up. I'm not really sure how the AI works. It was interesting to just have it give me a movie, though, based on some color selections. It's not a movie I'll watch again. There's no reason to watch it again. It's not that type of movie. And I'm not going to recommend it to anybody just because AI recommended it. If there's a specific type of movie you're interested in and Living fits it, you can read about it or check out the reviews to see if you want to watch it yourself. But the AI part did its job. It took my mood assessment and recommended a video or a movie based on that. And I didn't have to pick anything out. So I guess props to the AI there. Good luck when you try it yourself. Peace.